This video tutorial will walk you through the proper way of filling out the CEM Achievement Test answer sheet. The answer sheet has 2 pages. The front page is for your personal data, and the back page is for your answers to the test. Remember to always use your number 2 pencil. Always write in print and in capital letters. Let's begin. Step 1. Copy the information written on the board. Write the name of the test on the first line. Write the test grade level on the second line. Step 2. Fill in the boxes provided for examinee number. Write your examinee number as instructed by your examiner. If your examiner asks you to copy your answer sheet number on the upper right-hand corner, write the numbers in the boxes provided for examinee number. Always start writing from the leftmost box. Make sure that there is only one number inside each box. Write neatly. Then, shade the matching circle below each box. All circles should be filled in completely. Make the marks dark. Never mark like these. Shading must be done properly because your answer sheet will be read and processed by a machine. Step 3. Write your age in the boxes provided. Start writing from the leftmost box and then shade the matching circles below. If your age is below 10, write 0 in the first box and write your age in the second. Step 4. Shade the circle that corresponds to your gender. Step 5. Shade the circle of the subject of this test. Step 6. Shade the circle of your current grade level. Step 7. Print your name in the boxes. Write your name correctly and clearly. Write your last name and then put a comma. Leave one box empty and write your first name. Write your middle initial in the second to the last box and put a period in the last box. Then, shade the matching circles below. If you have a name suffix such as junior or third, leave a box empty after your first name, then write JR or third. If you have 3 or more names such as Asuncion Maria Carmela Beatriz T, write only the first 2 names of your first name. If your last name has De, Del, Dela, and so forth, such as De La Cruz Peter John C, write Dela first. Leave one box empty, then write Cruz. If your name has special characters like hyphen, dash, apostrophe, and other punctuation marks, write the special character in the box, but no matching circle will be shaded. If the special character is Ñ, like Peña, shade the corresponding circle for N. Step 8. Wait for your examiner to distribute the test booklets, and then copy the number on the upper right-hand corner of the test booklet. Write on the space provided for booklet number and shade the matching circles. Make sure that you've completely filled out the required information before proceeding to the next page. The back page is for your answers to the test. Shade the letter of your answer to each question. Shade only up to the actual number of questions in the test you're taking. For example, if the total number of questions in a test is 70, shade only up to item 70. Ignore the rest. If you want to change your answer, erase the first answer completely, then shade the circle of your new answer. Remember, your answer sheet will be read and processed by a machine, so shading must be done properly. Never fold, crumple, tear, or write beyond the circles and the boxes. Shade only up to the actual number of test questions. This concludes our video tutorial. Thank you for watching, and good luck!